Hello everyone of class 6 standard. Today we'll start the video of the fraction. Okay. Rest all chapters will be taught in the online classes, and today we'll start the fraction. This chapter is basically actually we know that the natural numbers, whole numbers, these all numbers we have already read in the previous chapters. But today we will talk about the some sections. Look, suppose if you talk about a number which is like that 2 by 3. Suppose if you talk about 4 by 5. Okay, suppose you will talk about 1 by 2. So these all numbers are actually these all numbers are having some concepts, some actual meanings are there. Suppose if you talk about this one. Okay, suppose you are just taking any this type of thing. Okay, any suppose a square type or rectangle type, any type of thing you have taken here. Now in this case, if you divide this one into two parts. Okay, just two parts. If you divide this one part is shaded portion and one part is the unshaded portion. Okay, this is a blank portion, you can tell. So meaning is that if question will be asked to you that how many part or what part, which part is actually shaded and which part is blank, so you can tell from here. But if you want to express this one in the mathematical term, then if I will write down the shaded part, fraction of the shaded part, that means within how many spaces are there? Two spaces are there. Okay, within these two space, one part is the shaded one. Okay, so within these two part, one part is the shaded one. So this is a one type of fraction. Suppose you have a given a exam, mark obtained on the exam is suppose 80 marks. 80 marks exam you have given. On that one, suppose you have got 70 marks from here. Suppose maths exam, in 80 you have got 70. Now if someone will ask you just write down this one in mathematical term, then you have to write this one 70 divided by 80. That means within 80 you have just scored the mark here 70. So if you want to write down this one, then 7 by 8 will come, which is a fraction. Clear? This one, if you talk about within 5, 4 portions are something. Suppose shaded, this example you will tell. Then within 5 different equals. Okay, not different. Within 5 equal parts, 4 are shaded. Within 3 equal parts, 2 are shaded. So this is actually the concept of the fraction. If I will tell you this type of diagram, suppose this diagram is given. Okay, one portion is shaded here. So can you tell that 1, 2, 3, 4? So can you tell that one the shaded portion is equal to 1 by 4? If you write down, then your answer will be wrong, because this 4 which you are just considering here, which is not equal, 4 parts are present here. This part and this part are almost equal. This part and this part are also equal. But if you consider, then 4 parts are not actually equal. So this concept will only come when you are dividing anything in 4 or 5 or whatever in equal parts. Clear? So from here the concept of the fraction will come. So these all are the concept. Now first exercise we will do, that is a 6.1 from the book. So 6.1 exercise. Today in this video we will try to cover the 6.1 and 6.2. Okay, this is. Now in the 6.1 exercise, if you talk about the first question in exercise 6.1, the first question is given to you that write the following division as fraction. This one is given. So if you want to write down this one in fraction, then you have to write down this or this, same thing. Okay, 3 divided by 7, so that means 3 by 7, or this one. This part is called numerator and this is the denominator. Okay, so this is the first one. Rest all 2-3 exercise are 2-3 questions are also given that you will do at home. Next one, write the following fraction in word. Okay, you have to write down this one, this following fraction in word. So if you write down this type of following fraction in the word, then you have to write down this one 2/7. Okay, because within 7 2 is there, that is the fraction. So 2/7 you have to write 1 by 2, that means same way you have to write down that one 1/2. Okay, so like that you will come, it will come that 2/7 and all. Okay, so this type of thing. Next exercise, question number 3, that is given, write the following fraction in number form. Okay, just opposite of that one you can write down. So one example, I am just one exercise I am doing, that 1/6 is given. So you have to write down this one 1 by 6. Suppose 1/7, then 1 by 7. Suppose 1/8, then 1 by 8. Like that you have to do that. Next one, 3/11 is also there. So 3/11, that means 3 divided by 11. Like that. Okay. So from just the opposite of one of this one is given. Now the some diagrams are given. 1 or 2 diagrams I am doing here. Rest you will do at home. So question number 4 of fourth one I am just doing. One, this type of circle is given. Within that, this type of thing is made. Okay, and within this portion is the shaded one. You have to tell that one what fraction of the shaded portion is given over here. Suppose you will take this one, this circle, then 1 2 3 4 parts are there which are equal. Okay, 4 equal halves are there. So within this 4, one portion is shaded portion. So the fraction of this one will come 1 by 4. Clear? Suppose you will take another example of this example, that is fifth one. If you take, then this type of diagram is made, and another one is this one. Now this portion is the shaded portion over here. Okay, now if this portion is shaded, means what? How many equal parts are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 equal parts are there. Within this 6, 1 is the shaded. So 1 by 6 will be the answer of this question. Clear? So in this way the question number 4, that part you can complete. Now next one is the opposite of this question, opposite of this one, this fourth one. The fifth one is there. So within this in the fifth one, what is the actual question is given to you, that fifth one. If you have the book, you can see from there the said the part of the following figure according to the given fraction. Okay, one square is given to you. First question, this is the square. Okay, and these are known as the diagonals. Okay, these are the diagonals of the square. Now question is given that 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 meaning is what? This 4 will give you the information about that there are 4 parts or equal halves are there. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so within these 4 parts, so from here you can see that one, this is the square where 4 equal parts are there. 1 2 3 4, and 3 is in this side, means that within these 4, 3 are shaded. So 1 2 3 are shaded portion. So that will be the diagram of this one. Okay, so in this way you can complete this one. Now next question, that is the question number 6, which is given that in the adjoining figure, if you say that the shaded region is 1/4 of the whole region, then identify the error in this one. This type of diagram is given. I told that one that this type of diagram cannot be told in a fraction of like that. Okay, this portion is shaded one, and they are telling this is 1/4. This is wrong one, because all are not the equal parts. This part, this part, this and this, all are not actually the equal one. Okay, so this is. Now come to the question number 7. If you tell that one, that write the fraction in which numerator is 5 and the denominator is what? And the denominator is 13. Okay, this is the 13. So you can write down from here that one, that 5 by 13 you can write down from here like that. Rest 2-3 questions are there, so that you can just do at home. That is your homework. So thank you for today.